Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious roasted chicken stuffed with jambalaya. Okay guys, so let's get into it. First thing you should do is rub entire chicken with butter, margarine, or olive oil. Season generously inside and out. I used a salt-free chicken seasoning, paprika, garlic and herb, all-purpose seasoning, as well as Creole seasoning that's not in the picture. Okay, now that you have the chicken covered entirely, massage in the seasonings and let this marinate while preparing your jambalaya. So to prepare the jambalaya, I diced some onions, celery, green and red peppers, some sliced sausage, and I have some garlic cloves. I'm using the Zanarans jambalaya mix, which I'll be following the instructions on the back of the box. So over medium heat, I just went ahead and added some olive oil and my diced vegetables. I sauteed the vegetables for about 1 minute, added some salt and pepper, then added my sausage, cooked the additional 1 minute, and set to the side. So now I'm just preparing the rice mix as directed on the back of the box. Now you want to go ahead and add in your sausage and vegetable mixture that you set to the side earlier. Bring to a boil and let simmer. Okay guys, so now that my rice is ready, I'm just going to go ahead and stuff it into my chicken cavity. Whatever doesn't fit can be used to place around the chicken before or after cooking. Okay guys, so this is totally optional. I'm using butcher's twine to secure the chicken while it's roasting. In a roast pan, place some water, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. I sliced some more butter and used the remaining diced vegetables and added it to the pan as well. Before I go ahead and place the chicken in the oven, I added just a little more of that salt-free chicken seasoning. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover and place the chicken in the oven on 375. I'll let it cook for about an hour or so. Remove the cover. Turn the oven up to around 400 degrees and let cook 2 more additional hours. Remember, chicken times varies on weight of chicken.